Bonjour mes amis and welcome back to Severine's Kitchen. After the success of my decadently rich and guilt-free chocolate keto ice cream, I got a lot of requests for a different flavor. So today I'm bringing you an insanely velvety coffee keto ice cream that's just as creamy and satisfying. Let's get started. Here is what you'll need to create these luxury desserts. 2 egg yolks, 300 ml of double cream, which is about 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream for our US friends, 1 shot of freshly brewed espresso. The shot is 40 ml, just over a teaspoon. It's crucial not to use more liquid as too much water can cause crystallization since we're not using an ice cream machine. Alternatively, you can use instant coffee. I opt for decaf so that I can have it in the evening and it won't interfere with my sleep. The recipe is as delicious as is, but if you prefer a bit more sweetness, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste and a pinch of salt. This recipe will need 4 big scoops of pure coffee bliss. Before I forget, some ice cream recipes call for whole eggs or use the egg whites, but as a nutritionist, I wouldn't recommend using raw egg whites. If you're curious about why, check out my other video where I explain the risks and how to handle them safely. First, we're going to whip our cream until it forms nice stiff peaks. Use a hand mixer, starting on a slow speed to avoid splashing, then gradually increase the speed. If your cream is at room temperature, it will whip up in just a few minutes. This step is crucial for that rich, airy texture we want in our ice cream, so take your time and get it just right. Now that our cream is beautifully whipped, it's time to bring in the coffee flavor. Pour in your egg yolks, the shot of freshly brewed espresso, and any of the optional ingredients like honey, vanilla paste, or a pinch of salt. Gently fold everything together until it's perfectly combined. Transfer the mixture into a container, preferably a stainless steel one that's already been chilling in the freezer. This helps the ice cream set faster and gives it an ultra smooth texture. Smooth out the surface and tap the container gently to remove any air bubble. Now place your container in the freezer and let it set for a few hours. The longer you leave it, the firmer it will get, so be patient. When you're ready to enjoy your coffee ice cream, take it out of the freezer and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Depending on how cold your freezer is and the consistency you prefer, this will give it enough time to soften up, making it much easier to serve. Now for the fun part, scoop it out. This coffee ice cream is delicious on its own, but you can also elevate it with a drizzle of honey or some dark chocolate. Et voilà mes amis, a rich, creamy and decadently delicious coffee keto ice cream that's sure to satisfy any coffee lover's cravings. If you've enjoyed this recipe and can't wait to try it out, please hit that like button. And for more effortlessly indulgent recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. À bientôt!